Welcome back to Spy Garage.
In the recreational vehicle industry, the 2025 Prevost Super Class Motorhome is expected to be the pinnacle of elegance and engineering. This motorhome, which combines the durability of a commercial-grade platform with custom, upscale residential amenities, promises an unmatched travel experience. It is built on the prestigious Prevost chassis, which is known for its longevity and smooth ride. The 2025 Prevost Super Class Motorhome's external design is distinguished by its sophisticated and imposing appearance. These cars, which are usually quite long, frequently have beautifully designed paint jobs and smoothly integrated slide-out portions that increase the amount of living space inside. Strategically positioned large, panoramic windows provide residents with sweeping views of the surroundings, and integrated lighting improves both appearance and usability. The undercarriage has large storage spaces that can hold a lot of luggage and equipment. These spaces are frequently climate-controlled. Power-operated entry steps usually provide access, and they lead into a carefully planned cabin. The 2025 Prevost Super Class Motorhome's interior is a haven of luxury. A trademark of bespoke floor plans is the presence of numerous living spaces, gourmet kitchens with top-notch appliances, and opulently furnished bathrooms. Expensive materials are used extensively, including exquisite leathers, polished hardwood floors, and handcrafted stonework. Sophisticated entertainment systems, complete climate control, and smart home automation that controls lighting, security, and other onboard systems are just a few examples of the perfectly integrated advanced technology. Usually secluded and opulent, sleeping accommodations may have king-sized mattresses and en-suite bathrooms. The smoothness and commanding vision provided by the high driver's seat define the driving experience in a 2025 Prevost Super Class Motorhome. The Prevost chassis guarantees a solid and comfortable ride, even over long distances, and is frequently combined with strong diesel engines and advanced air suspension systems. The driving experience is further improved by sophisticated driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning. The actual cockpit space is ergonomically designed and frequently has leather upholstery, cutting-edge equipment, and simple controls. The 2025 Prevost Super Class Motorhome market serves a select customer that values comfort, luxury, and the flexibility of long-distance travel without sacrificing the conveniences of a posh home. These RVs are a substantial financial commitment and are frequently extensively customized to suit the unique tastes of their owners. They are mobile estates, not just cars, that can travel across countries and offer an unmatched level of comfort and sophistication. In order to further improve the Super Class Motorhome experience, the 2025 version is anticipated to carry on this heritage by utilizing the most recent developments in design, technology, and materials.